Let's talk about overflows and underflows. So when a variable is assigned to a value and the variable is too big or too small, the variable will over or underflow respectively. Let's look at this example right here. A is equal to B times C. A needs to be large enough of a variable to store the calculation of B times C. Otherwise, a problem can arise, and a big problem because error messages are not shown. They're not given. They're in the background, you won't know. You might have something that gets truncated though, which means that if you have a value in here that's really, really big, only a certain amount of it will get stored in here. So your value won't be accurate, or it could give you something totally incorrect. So just be aware of that. This value needs to be large enough to store this in here. If you want to make sure that something like this is small enough to be stored in here, you could do like a check for the number of bytes that this is going to be before it gets stored in here. A lot of checks are done just to make sure programs run how they're supposed to. That's it for overflow and underflow. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. If you want more C++ videos, they're in the playlist, link below the like button. Or you can go check out the channel, where there's more coding videos everywhere.